Welcome to another how-to video. Today I will show you how to enable or disable restricted mode on YouTube. I'm going to show you this on the computer, but if you want to do it on your phone, the steps are the same. So the first step is to go to YouTube. Start up your browser, type YouTube, and hit enter. Select the first option in the search results. Once on YouTube, you have to go to your channel icon. You can find your channel icon in the top right corner. Click on it. This will open up a tab with different options. Scroll down until you see the option Restricted Mode and click on it. Here you can click on this slider to enable or disable it. I currently have Restricted Mode disabled, but will enable it for the video. Let YouTube do its thing, and now you are in restricted mode. To disable it again, we will do the same steps. Go to your channel icon and go to the option Restricted Mode again. Click on it and disable it by moving the slider again. This is how you enable and disable restricted mode. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to fix it to make your daily life easier. See you in the next tutorial.